Here we're going to look at content creation for a specific niche. So let's pretend that I'm a travel influencer looking for content about traveling. I Googled the best places in the world to visit, copied this. Now I'm going to paste the top result into ChatGPT and ask 5 things to do in this location. Amazing. So now we have 5 things to do in South Island, New Zealand. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to turn this into a script, so I have a script for a YouTube video to make content. Please turn that into a 200-word script for a travel influencer YouTube video. Amazing, here it is. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I go explore the most beautiful places around the world. Today, we're in the South Island of New Zealand, and I'm going to show you the top 5 things you can't miss on your road trip on this stunning island. So we have our script and it's ready to go. Now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to generate an image to go with each part of the script so we can add some visual interest to our video. So please give me 1 image per paragraph that visually represents what's being said in each paragraph. Great, so you can see ChatGPT even tried to pull some image links, which is actually beyond its capacity to do right now, but it gives us the exact description of the images that we'll need. So let's hop over to Unsplash to find these. If you're unfamiliar, Unsplash is an amazing resource for royalty-free photos that you can use. So here we can find our photo of Milford Sound. They have a bunch of amazing and beautiful options, and we could download these to use them as B-roll in our video. So the next step in our example is you could actually buy a teleprompter from Amazon or somewhere and hook it up so that you could read this script live facing to camera and then cut the B-roll over you talking, which would deliver an engaging video. Now let's pretend we have our video. We can ask ChatGPT to give us 10 potential YouTube video titles. Great, these are honestly some amazing options. Just to show you, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to try again, but with shorter titles. So here we have some shorter, more concise titles. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to please give me a list of 10 SEO optimized keywords to use as tags for my video. Great, so we have our script, the B-roll images that we need for the script. We could buy a teleprompter to read the script to camera. We could put the B-roll over the footage. We have our titles here, and we have our video tags. Lastly, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a blog entry about our video. Please write a 150-word blog entry about the video. Amazing. So you can see this was a very specific example, but we went from start to finish and then some with ChatGPT in just a matter of minutes.